This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So firstly, you gotta launch settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category. Then, assuming that the network that you would like to share is the same network you are currently connected to, tap on it. Then at the network details page, you go for the share option, and at the following share Wi-Fi page, as you can see, the Wi-Fi password gets revealed right over here, as well as the system provides you with the QR code that you can further scan with any other phone and get the aforementioned phone or tablet, whatever Android device, get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.